walking on the farm with sunshine bright and air so warm. Look around and what do we hear? Animal sounds loud and clear. And a cow says moo moo. In the field she's calling you. Big and gentle, black and white, munching grass from day to night. Cluck, 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 in the coop with lots of luck, lays her eggs and walks around, pecking grains upon the ground. Ba ba ba, woolly coat soft, hurrah! In the meadow with her friends, bouncing up and down the bends. Pig says oink, oink, oink. Likes the mud, loves to boink, rolling, snorting in the hay, laughing through the lovely day. Duck says quack, 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 swimming in the water's track, flappy feet and feathers bright, waddles left and waddles right. Deer says neigh, neigh, neigh. Strong and fast he runs away, pulls the cart and jumps the fence, gallops far and makes no sense.